Have you ever wondered what the gods of Mount Olympus dined on, far above the mortal world, to maintain their eternal youth and immense power? And like us, their meals were not just about sustenance, but about their very essence. In ancient Greek myths, the gods primarily consumed two magical substances, ambrosia and nectar. Ambrosia was their divine food, while nectar was their sacred drink. These were not mere edibles, they were the very source of their immortality and boundless strength. The why behind these specific provisions is fascinating. Ambrosia and nectar were believed to flow directly from the divine realm, often associated with the mythical gardens of the Hesperides or brought to Olympus by doves. And like human food which nourish the body and soul through earthly ingredients, ambrosia and nectar infused the gods with eternal life force, setting them completely apart from mortals. Consuming them purified their divine bodies and sustained their otherworldly existence, meaning they had no need for earthly nourishment or sleep. For the ancient Greeks, understanding what their gods ate helped to define the boundaries between humanity and divinity. They believed that while mortals partook in earthly feasts and made sacrifices of mortal food to the gods themselves existed on a higher plane of nourishment. This concept influenced human religious practices, encouraging offerings of the finest earthly foods as a way to honor the gods, even though they knew the deities consumed their own unique provisions. An interesting detail is that ambrosia was also said to have a sweet, honey-like taste and a fragrant aroma, sometimes even described as a divine ointment that could heal wounds and preserve bodies. The gods also possessed ichor, a golden, luminous fluid that flowed in their veins instead of blood, further emphasizing their distinct biology. Mortal heroes like Heracles or Achilles were sometimes granted a taste of ambrosia, temporarily elevating them, but it was usually forbidden and had severe consequences if stolen, as seen in the myth of Tantalus. Ultimately, the mythical diet of ambrosia and nectar served to reinforce the extraordinary, immortal nature of the Greek gods, clearly distinguishing them from humanity. It illustrated their unique power, their eternal youth, and their supreme status, shaping the ancient Greek understanding of the divine hierarchy and their place within the cosmos.